The Honda Civic wheel spacers are common modifications for car motor lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of your car. The Honda Civic wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. Recommend install the wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Hub-Centric Honda Civic wheel spacers can change the wheel offset and back spacing when you add some larger component. On another set of aftermarket wheel, installing the Honda Civic wheel spacers with Hub-Centric can provide high stability. The BONOSS Honda Civic wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. We can see they have 3 steps, 1 step, 2 steps, and 3 steps. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration compared with common. The multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Honda Civic wheel spacers can also be well-adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. The Hub-Centric Honda Civic wheel spacers make sure there's constant contact between the hub spacer and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and stress than if you fasten on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacers is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the center hole of the spacers, especially to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, BONOSS active cooling Honda Civic wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better, distributed in better shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat from the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. So, if you are considering installing the Honda Civic wheel spacers, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.